Breaking news for every cleaning and janitorial company owner watching this. OSHA Heat Illness Prevention Program is actively enforcing this summer, and citations are already being issued. Here is what you need to know right now. Number one, if your cleaning staff works in buildings without air conditioning, in laundry rooms, boiler rooms, or outdoor areas, they are at risk for heat illness, and OSHA holds you responsible. Number two, new OSHA guidance issued in 2026 requires employers to have a written heat illness prevention plan, provide water and rest breaks, and train workers before they are exposed to heat hazards, not after. Here is the one tip I want you to take away from this video. Do not wait for a worker to collapse before you act. The number one thing you can do today is make sure your team has documented safety training on file, including heat illness awareness. At Excel Occupational Safety Institute, our cleaning and janitorial staff safety professional certificate course covers heat illness prevention as part of a complete OSHA-aligned training program. Your workers complete it online in about an hour, and you get a certificate on file that proves they were trained. Visit osh.excelcontinuingeducation.com to enroll your team today. Protect your workforce, protect your business. I'll see you in the next one.